So recently I noticed that Realtree was selling a new multi-tool set. They seem to do this every couple months, and they come out with a new multi-tool, and it's not really advertised much. It just sort of sneaks onto Walmart's website, and then in a couple months it seems to just disappear. So this multi-tool has a pair of tweezers in the end, and then you have one of these bits that is pretty much universal with a lot of these wave clones. So this is the Klein style bit with the ball detent, and it fits right in here. I sort of like that system, so it reminds me of the Skeletal, just with a 1/4 inch instead of the Leatherman proprietary bit. And then you can take that out and then obviously fit it in the back here, and then you have this inline bit driver, or this bit driver that really sort of fits nicely in the middle right here. So I feel like that's a really unique option, and with the bit back here, it doesn't stick out, so it snaps right in place, and then you have that bit right there. All right, so then when we extend this, these are fishing geared pliers or multi-tools. So you have the crimper and you have the cutters for the fishing line. So you have a lot on the plier head that is for that. And then you have the pliers designed this way because, again, they are fishing pliers. And if you want to use them normally, you could always take this to a grinder and just grind that down. Now, on the outside, you only have the bit driver on this side, and then you have the tweezers. And then on this side, you do have the knife, and it does lock into place like so. And then on the other side, I thought this was a little bit different, but again, they're trying to have room, I guess, for the bit holder, but I would have preferred scissors on the outside. They do have this can opener and a bottle cap lifter as well, as that's sort of one of your outside tools. Then on the inside, again, the bit holder over here has nothing on the inside, but on this side right here, you do have, let's see what they call these. These are fishing designated tools. This right here is your hook eye, or this one is, I guess, and this is your quick knot tool. So this is, I guess, for tying knots. Again, I am not a fisherman. Really, my fishing days are way in the past. I'll probably take my kids fishing soon, but these are some tools that could be used, I guess, for some other things as well. I thought these were giant tweezers at the beginning, but the main purpose of why I found this interesting was this bit driver. Sort of reminds me of a Leatherman Skeletal, just on a 1/4 inch version. So instead of the Leatherman proprietary bit having that 1/4 inch, and this is a very more minimalist tool set with just these outside tools and then a couple inside tools as well. And it's not extremely light, but it is a lighter multi-tool. And then it does come with this little tool right here. And this is, I think, to cut lines right here. And again, I'll have to refer to this box. And this right here tells it has a hook eye cleaner. It has this lock. It has the line cutters. It has 3 tuning tools right here on the side. The quick knot tool, the line pick, the blade, and the hook sharpener. So that is over here on this side. I have seen this tool on AliExpress, and I was interested in buying it, seeing what it was like. You've got this little like knife right here, and then this is like almost like a small, it looks like a diamond file, really, to be honest. And then it's not a file on the other side, so it's just a one-sided file. So you've got these 3 tools, you've got this right here, and then you've got this as well on this side. And this part seems to be metal. This part right here, almost like heavy-duty plastic. So then we fold that up, and then you can lock this in place. So this is a unique tool set. You do get a lot of other tools that come with it as well. So you get a flashlight with UV light, you do get a knife, and then you do get a sheath that you can fit this multi-tool into. I have to say, again, with this sheath, I don't think it's extremely durable. I don't understand why the belt loop is so low. That seems a little weird. But it's pretty much your generic cheap multi-tool sheath right there. And then the knife I don't think is extremely special. I bought this for the multi-tools, and I think the set comes to $23. So it's actually a very budget multi-tool set. Again, this is primarily geared toward fishermen, but if you want a very minimalistic multi-tool to throw in your truck or your car, this might be something you'd be interested in, especially with the 1/4 inch bed driver. Let me know your thoughts below, and I will see you in the next video.